Churachandpur District ke Tuibong Bazar da chahi tara khakta ngairibi angang nupimacha ama dukan fomba mioi amana molest touru-badagi khoisaw naraba miyamna dukan adu mai thadokre haidi Thaudok asidagi hawraktuna Churachandpur District ta Pung taranithoi gi Bandh Koukhre haiduna District asigi maru oiba lambi sing protesters sing na thingzinba tar mai thabana chingba thawong chatharakhi Churachandpur District ki DC Dharun Kumar S nangasi ayuk Pung taruktagi makha taba order ama thoktriba fawba BNSS ki section 163 gi makhada Public Curfew Thamjinkhare Thaudok asigi matangda Churachandpur District Police ki SDPO Pandena Women Police Station ki OC Chinait-lam gangte anina ngasi paugi mifum ama pangthokre paugi mifum maduda Women PS ki OC Chinait-lam gangte na haikibada Haukiba October 18 gi ayukta Tuibong Bazar de dukan famba Zakir kauba miyoyamana chahi tara khakta ngairibi nupimacha ama hairband leiringaida molest tawki Thaudok asigi matangda Women Police ta wakalakpadagi Posco Act English ani taranithoi gi makhada case ama registration tawki Mathangi numit October 19 da Maral leiraba Zakir Women Police Station da masana surrender tawrakpadagi fakhi mahak ki mathakta Posco gi case panduna charge sheet frame tawnaba Women Police na mari leinaba documentation amadi evidence sing collect tawki haiki Tungda SDPO Pandena haikibada Thaudok asigi matangda social media da aranba pau kaya sandokliba si tawbiganu social media gi pau si achummana ti haina phungdokhi
On 21st October 2024, received a written report stating that 10-year-old minor girl was sexually molested on 11 October 2024 at around 8 a.m. by one shopkeeper, namely Mr. Zakir, at Tuibong Bazar. Hence, a case was registered on 21 October 2024 at 5:30 p.m. under FIR number 07 clause 10 2024 Women PS Churachandpur under Section 8 of POCSO Act 2012. And after proper verification, he was arrested in connection with the case. The police teams of Women Police Station are working very hard in completion of documentation and collecting necessary evidence in order to submit the charge sheet within a week.
As it is clear that the Women Police Station team is working very hard to help the victim get justice. I request everyone to please not take law and order in their hands and help them getting the victim real justice as early as possible. I request public support. Please do not share wrong information, rumors, as it can lead to delay of justice which no one wants. Once again, I request you to please stand with the police as we continue on the path of law.